there, there. How do you pronounce these words? What do they mean? Let's find out. What's up, guys? My name is Shane, and today we are talking about there, and there. Yes, they are pronounced exactly the same. There, there. Now you try. There. Now we know how to say them. What do they mean and how do we use them? Let's find out. What does this there mean? Let's have a look at an example. They're walking in the park. This there means they are. They are walking in the park. We say there because it's shorter and easier. Let's have a look at some more examples. They're going out later. This means they are going out later. What about this one? They're from Australia. This means they are from Australia. So just remember, this there means they are. Look over there. Why do we use this there? We use this there to talk about a certain place or to say that something is in the world, something exists in the world. Let's look at some more examples. There is a car outside. I am saying this world has a car outside. What about this one? There are lots of clothes shops on that street. I am saying that street has many clothes shops. So when we use this there, we normally use it to talk about a certain place or to say something is in the world, something exists in the world. Let's look at the last there for today. It's their house. Why do we use this there? We use this there to show ownership, possession, that something belongs to somebody else. Normally, this there means for two or more people. So if I say it's their house, I am talking about two or more people. Let's look at some other examples. I went to their office. Is it my office? No, it's not my office, it's their office. They own it. How many people? Two or more. Okay, one more example. That's their dog. Is it my dog? No. Is it somebody else's dog? Yes. How many people? Two or more. So just remember, with this there, it's about ownership, and normally it means two or more people. Okay, that is it for today. If you would like some extra practice, look in the description below. There are a few sentences with missing words. I want you to fill in the missing words with there, or there. When you've finished, post your answers in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe right now so you don't miss any video that can help you understand English like a native speaker. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit like and share this with your friends who are learning English. For more English, follow my Instagram and my Facebook, and I will see you in the next video.